got a call for a tractor trailer that is stuck in the sand on the water tank road. So we're gonna head out there and see if we can get it. I don't even know if we've got the equipment. We'll see.
Yeah, fairly clear sky, windy, and hot, about 95. You didn't bring your big Yankum rope though. We'll get him out.
So, you might ask why we're in the Ford F-150. It's because Rudy's out of town with his Jeep, heading to Montana or somewhere, and we needed a backup vehicle, and my truck was the only one that's available that's more capable. And that's not saying much. So, we'll see if we have to use it, or if the Morrvair can get it out by itself.
Oh my.
Probably laughing, but I won't pull it down.
Okay, Lizzie, get my hubs.
I need to be on that side pulling that way.
Okay, so we'll get you up here and turn you around. We can do that. There's a way better place to turn around right up there.
I know. I
Couldn't get there.
started spinning going up.
Oh.
And then when I went in reverse, I tried just to back straight down, and the trailer went that way, and once it started, I couldn't.
Okay, well, we'll get you up here.
First one we had like this, we can get the truck out, but then I don't know about the trailer.
Yeah.
We can hook on it maybe this way and pull it that way. We'll get it.
I'm just wondering how we're going to back you up. I might have to stay on this side and pull you back in.
Well, what I was, and I don't know if you guys are able or want to, if you just pull onto that tongue.
You're not worried about the legs collapsing or anything? We'll put a whole bunch of weight on the back end of it, spinning around. So he wants me to hook onto the front of this and slowly drag it sideways. So I'm gonna put all the extra weight on the back of there. I don't know if it's gonna matter or not, but it won't hurt. I'm gonna hook it probably to this leg and just pull it.
Woo! It's windy, Ed!
I told him we're gonna get a new weatherman if he keeps this up.
About blowed you over, huh?
Yep.
Barely gonna fit.
Yep.
It'll work.
hook him?
Oh, maybe.
He's got gravity on his side.
Yeah. Gravity definitely helps driving a manual. I mean, I'm sure the trailer will roll. It may bottom out. We'll have to see, but... Did he say what he was doing?
He's trying to turn around. I don't know. Took a wrong turn. This is a bad road to take a wrong turn on in a rig like that.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, dude? What? Yep, you can be in the video. Wave to the camera. Well, there you go.
Thank you.
That wasn't too bad.
I know. I didn't think it was going to be that bad, but when you say semi,
Yeah.
everyone freaks out.
Hey, here's a shirt for you.
Now, if I already have one of these, then I get another one, right?
Yeah.
My daddy only has like only
What do you have a small one?
only a window tone jacket.
He was actually the first one in our family to get something.
Yep, I got window tone shirt.
Your favorite
I
shirt?
got the cheap that was on my shirt.
Yeah.
Of you.
This is the smallest one we have like this. Do you like this shirt? Okay. You can use it as a night shirt or something until you grow into it.
You'll still wear it every day. Well, thanks a lot, guys.
Well, this semi tractor was stuck in the sand. Plus, he had about a 30, 40 foot trailer on the back, and it was unhooked. Matt got him pulled out on the second run. Then they had to spin the trailer around, and he got hooked up, got him out. He was happy, and the wind's still blowing bad. Thanks for watching.